Hector, answer your phone. We have called 6 times.
The coach says Hector never reached the field.
Grandpa says he left the community fair before the judges arrived. Then, where is he?
His bicycle is here, but Hector is not.
His battery may be dead.
That does not explain why he left both places.
Mom?
Hector, where are you?
At the old bus station.
Hector, what happened today?
Hector, the repaired bicycle looks excellent.
The new brakes work perfectly now.
You did careful work.
We both did.
The community fair starts Saturday morning.
I remember.
The judges will visit our table at 11:30.
I will be there.
You should explain how we repaired the bicycle.
Can I speak about the old chain too?
Of course. That was your best idea.
Do you think we can win?
Maybe, but helping the community matters more.
I still want our work to be noticed.
Then stand beside your work with confidence.
Hector, our goalkeeper is sick.
Is he missing Saturday's selection game?
Yes, I need you at the field by 11.
The game starts at noon, right?
The final warm-up starts at 11:30.
I can come.
Are you certain?
Yes, I will not miss it.
This could earn you a regular place.
I understand.
Hector, you promised Grandpa first.
The fair and field are only 20 minutes apart.
On a bicycle? Maybe? Did you tell Coach Ben about the fair?
There is nothing to tell. I will help Grandpa until 11:15.
The judges arrive at 11:30.
They often arrive late.
That is only a guess.
Then I will play the first half.
You cannot leave a selection game early.
I will decide when I see what happens.
You already made 2 promises.
Stop making this sound terrible.
I am making it sound true.
Please do not tell Mom yet.
Why not?
She will make me choose.
That is exactly what you must do.
I have 3 days. I will solve it.
You arrived early. Good. The table looks great. Place the repair photos beside the bicycle.
Where is the judge?
The fair manager says the judges are delayed.
How long?
Maybe 30 minutes. I need some water. There is water behind the table.
I mean outside. I will return soon.
Hector, wear your name badge.
I will put it on later.
Yeah.
Are you nervous?
Do not worry. I am beside you.
Hector, where are you?
I am coming now.
The other team arrived early.
Did the warm-up begin?
In 10 minutes.
Save my place.
I need a clear answer.
Yes, save it. I am close. You are still near the fair.
I can reach the field quickly.
Tell Grandpa before leaving.
He will ask too many questions.
Because you hid the truth. I will explain after the game. Then the explanation will come too late.
Coach, I am 5 minutes away. Warm-up has started. I can still join.
Hector, the judges just entered the fair.
Already?
Grandpa keeps looking toward the entrance. Can you explain the bicycle? I did not repair it with him. Tell Grandpa I am getting water.
I will not lie for you.
Please, Isa. He thinks you are ashamed of his old bicycle.
What?
I am not ashamed.
Then come back and tell him yourself.
Fine. I am turning around.
You came back.
I am sorry.
Issa said you left without speaking.
I needed to handle something.
Were you embarrassed by this bicycle?
No. Never.
You removed your badge and watched the younger teams.
That is not the reason. Then give me the real reason.
The coach needed me today.
Today?
There is a selection game.
You accepted another promise?
I believed I could manage both.
Does the coach know about this fair?
Not exactly.
Hector, the game has started.
I am leaving the fair now.
I placed Daniel in goal. Can I play the second half? Daniel came on time and prepared with the team.
I promised I would come.
That promise needed action.
Please give me 10 minutes.
Do not rush through traffic.
So I should stay here?
Today, yes.
I understand.
Hector, the judges have finished. Did we lose? They could not judge your repair explanation.
I ruined both chances.
Why did nobody tell us earlier?
Hector asked me to wait.
Where did he go after the fair? He left on his bicycle.
Hector may think everyone is angry.
Anger can wait. First, we find him.
He mentioned the old bus station yesterday.
Why?
He planned different routes between both places.
Then we check there first. I will wait by the fair entrance.
Call us if Hector returns.
I will.
Mom, his bicycle could have a problem.
We will drive carefully and keep calling.
Hector, are you hurt?
No. I am fine.
Why did you stop here?
The bicycle chain came loose.
You repaired that chain.
I repaired it badly because I was rushing.
Why did you not ask for help? My phone died.
We were frightened, not only angry.
I thought I could choose later.
You kept chasing whichever chance looked better.
Each message changed my mind.
And every change took you farther from both promises.
I lied by hiding the truth.
What will you do now? Tell everyone exactly what I did.
Grandpa, I was not ashamed of our bicycle.
I know that now.
I wanted the fair prize and the team place.
Wanting both was not the worst part.
Hiding both promises was worse.
You removed everyone's chance to plan.
I will help deliver the bicycle tomorrow.
The buyer lives across town.
I will go with you and explain every repair.
Good. That repairs part of our trust.
Coach Ben, I also owe you an apology.
You do.
I will return the goalkeeper shirt today,
You may still train with us.
but I will not play next week.
Reliability must come before selection.
I understand.
How was the bicycle delivery?
The buyer loved it.
Hector explained every repair clearly.
Did you check the football messages?
Not during the delivery.
That sounds like progress.
Coach Ben gave me another training date.
Did you check your calendar first?
Yes. I only had one promise that day.
So no secret racing between two places?
Never again.
Two good roads can still lead nowhere.
When you keep changing direction?
Exactly.
Next time, I will choose one road before starting.